Ever felt like your brain is just about to explode with all the things you need to remember? From scattered thoughts to cool web findings, from random screenshots to important notes. It's chaos, right? Well, imagine having an extra brain, an AI brain that could keep all of this in order without you even lifting his finger. No tags, no labels, no folders, no confusion. Just a personal search engine working to simplify your digital life. Stick around. I'm unlocking the secret to effortless organization, and it's nothing less than mind-blowing. And hey, if you find this video bringing value to your life at any point while watching, please click that subscribe button. It's an easy way to show support to my channel, and it motivates me to bring more such content to you. Alright, let's dive into the tool I'll be talking about, MyMind. It's an AI-powered platform that lets you store anything you find interesting online. With MyMind, you can easily gather and organize information, making it a visually user-friendly platform. To start with, go to mymind.com. On the home page, look for the registration button and click on it. You will find an option to sign up using either your Google or Apple account. I'll be using my Google account. After selecting your account, the process is straightforward and it takes just a few clicks to get set up. Once you have registered, you'll need to set up MyMind. Click I understand and next. Once you're done with the setup, you will be ready to install the MyMind browser extension. Scroll down the homepage to find the download link. Click on the download browser extension and you will be redirected to the extension page. Here you can find the links for all supported browsers. As I am using Chrome, I'll select the Chrome browser extension. Once you are redirected to the Chrome web browser, simply click Add Extension and it will be integrated into your Chrome browser. Remember to pin the extension for easy access. To illustrate how MyMind works, let's head over to an article. Select any text you find interesting. Right-click and choose Add to MyMind. You can add tags to the text snippets, making it easier to locate later. For instance, I'm adding the tags AI and LLM. Once you return to the MyMind website, you can view all your saved notes, tags, and associated web links. In addition to tags, you can also save codes by selecting them and clicking Add to MyMind. These will be stored in a code format for easy reference. Creating manual notes within MyMind is also a breach. Simply enter your text and press Ctrl Enter to save the notes. Moving on to one of the most impressive features of MyMind, intelligent bookmarking. You can bookmark any web page, whether it's an interesting blog post, an Amazon product, or a tweet you want to revisit later. When you head back to MyMind, all your bookmarks will be neatly organized. You can even see price tags on saved Amazon links or view tweets in their original format. MyMind also automatically tags your saved content, enabling efficient organization. An exciting feature of MyMind is ability to recognize text within images using OCR. If you have an image with some important text, simply upload it and MyMind will automatically tag it. For instance, I am adding a screenshot to illustrate this feature. You can also share private links from MyMind with your friends. These shared links are available for 24 hours. They need to be saved to the recipient's MyMind account or else they will expire. One of the key features of MyMind is the search function. It's an intuitive as your own thought process. For instance, if you have saved an image of a red chair, just typing red chair will bring it up in the search results. Similarly, typing AI will display all related content. The search function also recognizes tags and can bring up all the content associated with a particular tag. Lastly, MyMind offers the ability to create spaces where you can group related content together. Just click on Create Space, give it a name, choose a color, you are set up. You can add content to a space either by uploading new content or assigning existing content to the space. MyMind also includes a feature called Serendipity. This allows you to easily remove unwanted content from your space, ensuring only relevant information is kept for future reference. With My Mind, you will always have a clean slate free of distractions. It's all your external brain, your personal search engine, and your second in command. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, consider clicking the like button and sharing it with others who might benefit. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought.